Okay, guys, I kind of deleted all of my characters, and I made some new outfits for your gun. So we're gonna make like a blondie. So I'm gonna use my fingers because my mouse does not want to work. So I'm just gonna use my fingers, so don't mind. Set the butter without and we heard that like that video where she says, if you say water multiple times, it sounds like you're singing. And then we go water, water, water. But they actually say, that's the Puerto Rico. You could be my pito. Mamacita. I'm pretty sure it says that. And yes, like that. To me. Ew, she looks like she got no eyebrows. She's like, no, mommy, baby. You guys want to know what I ate for dinner? I ate chicken pasta. From Chili's. And I got their broccoli. I recommend the broccoli. It's just something like taste that like good. But I recommend the broccoli with the chicken pasta, whatever. Yeah. So these are the outfits. I made it like when she's going to party, sleeping, and casual. So I'm gonna do her casual outfit. Does she want glasses? Does she look good in glasses? Pretty sure she looks. Let me see. Hold on, give me a second. We should give her like a birthmark. I'm gonna put like a little brown mole right there. Does she want a hat? Says por Chickpea Mapito, Mamacita. Support. Peekaboo-chan. Watch, hold on. Upside down, boy turning inside out, round and round. But we're not gonna do that to her. Alright, this is going to be the high schooler color. High schooler. Then we're gonna have like a little sibling. Or no, this is gonna be the mom. Or actually, we'll just keep the little sibling. It's gonna be girl. It's gonna have brown hair because the dad is brown and has brown hair. Says Mamacita. Sorry guys, that song is just stuck in my head. Don't mind why I'm not showing on camera. It's just because she don't have a shirt on. You probably like, why are you reacting? Like your characters don't have a shirt on. Just because I feel like it's inappropriate, so I'm not gonna show. Accidentally showed a little bit of her. Oopsie. Should we make her? Oh, why does it look like that? I never noticed they looked like that. That's nasty. Ooh. Oh, look how tiny you are. I'm like person. Look how close. These are just dots? That's crazy. Hold on, I'm using my mouse. Alright, we got the little sisters that's from here. And we're gonna make the mother butcher. I feel like we're gonna have to make the father because I don't usually make the characters. So we're gonna make the father. Says por Ooh. The hair I usually use for the fathers is this one. I don't know why I just do. So we're gonna use it. It's just because my dad has a haircut like that. So that's border. Oh my god. I need to shut up with that song. But my dad doesn't have piercings. And now my dad does have a nose. Like this. And my dad smiles like that. I'm gonna fix his eyebrows. His eyebrows don't look good. My dad smiles like this. I like the nose like that. I'm pretty sure my dad does not have any freckles. Oh my gosh, excuse me. Accidentally burped. My dad just wears like a black shirt and some black shorts, but we don't have that.